हेलो एंड वेलकम, मैं हूं विवान और आप देख रहे हैं बॉलीवुड का हॉटेस्ट न्यूज शो प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड न्यूज। हम एक बार फिर हाजिर हैं बॉलीवुड की लेटेस्ट न्यूज एंड हॉट गॉसिप्स लेकर और सभी मॉम को विश करना चाहते हैं हैप्पी मदर्स डे। और आज सभी मॉम्स के लिए प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड न्यूज ले आया है मदर्स डे स्पेशल सेगमेंट। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद टुडेज हेडलाइंस। आयशा टाकिया बनी शेफ अपने मॉम के लिए। समीरा रेड्डी के मॉम ने जूम के सामने खोले उनके चाइल्डहुड सीक्रेट्स। और मदर्स डे पर रवीना ने जूम के साथ एक्सक्लूसिवली बात की ऑन मदरहुड। आयशा टाकिया ने मदर्स डे पर अपनी मॉम के लिए बनाया एक स्पेशल पिज्जा। पर आयशा का यह कुकिंग टेस्ट पास हुआ या फेल, आइए जानते हैं।
मदर्स डे पर माँ के हाथ के खाने की बात तो सब करते हैं, पर आज हम यहाँ थोड़ा सा रोल रिवर्सल कर रहे हैं। हमारे साथ है आयशा टाकिया और उनकी मम्मी। एंड आयशा इज गोइंग टू मेक, व्हाट आर यू मेकिंग टुडे?
I am making pizza because I think that's the easiest thing. I don't think I would be able to make anything else. And my mom is an awesome cook. तो Mother's Day पे बनाना ही पड़ेगा मुझे कुछ, तो मुझे लगा पिज़्ज़ा easiest है और चाय कॉफ़ी के पिज़्ज़ा बड़े फेमस है, तो मुझे लगा यहाँ पर आकर बना दूँ।
मैम, यू कांट हेल्प हर टुडे।
No, I don't want to help her, but I'm going to eat the pizzas for sure.
You're ready?
Yeah.
वैसे आयशा खाना बनाती है?
Actually, she does. Yeah, it's been an interest like from childhood. She used to like show like ये देखो ये मैं बना रही हूँ and all that. She used to actually do that. जब मैं छोटी थी, I would actually be cooking things and looking at pretending that there's a camera and audience and saying कि फिर इसमें ये डालेंगे और वो डालेंगे।
तो आपका अपना कुकरी शो होता था?
हाँ, खुद का कुकरी शो होता था। तो then I just completely lost interest and now again, you know, she's been teaching me things and I now have my chef hat on, so I'm managing.
So let's do it for real today, your cookery show.
Yeah, let's try. I hope अच्छा होगा. You know, you guys won't know if it tastes bad also, but chai, coffee, pizza, सब
We have ma'am.
Yeah, I'm going to tell you the truth.
Very honestly.
Yeah, I'll tell you the truth. Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, let's try.
But now what?
So now the pizza is done. I think we'll put it in the oven. We'll ask the chef to do that, and then it'll be out. और फिर देखेंगे if it's. I think it's pretty okay. Mom will not lie, so she'll tell you the truth.
मैम ये बताइए, आयशा बचपन में कैसी थी? How was she as a daughter, as a kid?
She was the most sweetest kid because when you know you go to school and you ask your teacher on those weekdays when they have all parents coming over, so the teacher used to always tell me, why do you come, your daughter doesn't do anything. So she was one of those children.
Are you actually that nice या आप छुपाने में expert थी?
No, I've heard that I was a pretty good kid और मैं बहुत अच्छे से behave करती थी and average student studies wise, मगर behavior wise I was always, I remember, the good girl and I think I still am to some extent. Yeah.
Of course you are. Also Aisha, since it's Mother's Day, हम Mother's recipe की अगर बात करें, not cooking, like life में हम सबको हमारी मम्मी से कुछ मिला होता है, some values relearn. So what is your mother's recipe that?
In life as value, I think a lot of things definitely, but I think सबसे important चीज़ self respect. बहुत अच्छी बात है कि मेरे family में मेरी mom ने specially मुझे और नताशा को दोनों को हमेशा हमारी individuality मेंटेन कर रखी है।
You know, usually teenage में, especially हम लड़कियों के साथ होता है, when we stand in front of the mirror, we always find something is wrong. बाल खराब है, we are looking fat, मम्मा skin खराब है. So have you ever faced any moment with Aisha जब ये आई है, and how have you tackled it?
Of course, she's a girl, yeah. So something on it, like every day, her best features like her hair. She'll say, I have the crappiest hair. I have such thin hair. I hate my hair. Let me do this, that, and the other. I want to color it. My skin is bad, and there's nothing wrong with any of this. But being a girl, I think everybody's like that.
We can see Aisha is one pampered doll who's trying her luck in the kitchen today. So are we ready with the pizza now?
We are. Cross our fingers. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but
Ma'am, are you ready?
I'm ready. I have full confidence.
let's all lie.
Yeah.
It looks lovely.
I think it looks good. Yeah. So look wise, I think they're 10 on 10. So मुझे मिल ही गया already.
Nervous?
It's good, right?
Lovely. It's really lovely. You should eat later.
So that was Aisha. Maybe next time she comes up with the perfect pizza. That's all for now with cameraman Kailash and Amya Kirtitarang, Zoom Mumbai.
समीरा रेड्डी ने जूम के साथ मिलकर अपनी मॉम को दिया एक स्पेशल सरप्राइज। क्या था वो, आइए देखते हैं।
आज मदर्स डे है और मैं सोच रही थी मैं क्या करूँ स्पेशल मॉम्स डे पे. सो आई वाज वंडरिंग मे बी वी शुड गिव हर वन लिटिल सरप्राइज विद अ लिटिल केक. सो लेट मी गो गेट माय मदर एंड सी हाउ शी रिएक्ट्स. This is my mom. Happy Mother's Day. Or I think you have to see there is a little non-fattening cake for you. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
And happy Mother's Day to everybody and all the moms.
Am I supposed to do this?
No, you're not. You're not supposed to touch it.
So auntie, tell us about Mother's Day. आपने कभी
I'm very, very happy to be mother of my 3 lovely children.
Aw, Mama.
I'm very proud of it.
And it's not that कि आज Mother's Day है इसलिए मैं मॉम को बोलती हूँ I love you.
I shout at them also. In the same speed, I love them also. I yell also. I do. I can't help it.
And today I forced her. She was saying नहीं मुझे कैमरा पे नहीं आना है. And I said Mom, it's Mother's Day. And I think कि लोगों को पता चलना चाहिए कि how important, how special mom is and how she's been such a driving force in my life. So first of all, thank you mom for coming on TV. You know, really I think that my mother has done a lot for me. और आज जो कुछ भी हूँ मैं मॉम की वजह से हूँ. I really always say that. जब मैंने फिल्म लाइन में मैंने सोचा कि चलो मैंने एक डिसीजन लिया कि मैं फिल्म लाइन में जाऊँ या नहीं जाऊँ. उस टाइम पे मॉम ने बहुत मुझे सपोर्ट किया. डैड बिल्कुल बोल रहे थे नहीं. डैड आई थिंक डिडंट टॉक टू अस फॉर 6 months. लेकिन मॉम स्टूड बाय माई साइड. थैंक यू मॉम.
Auntie, one secret about Sameera that we don't know.
एक्चुअली आई थिंक सबसे जो आज सीक्रेट है या नहीं है आई डोंट नो कि मैं बचपन पे आई थिंक मेरा स्लीप वॉकिंग जो मैं करती हूँ और मॉम को बहुत ही आई थिंक बचपन से आई थिंक यू आर वेरी सिक ऑफ इट. नो लाइक
नहीं डर लगता है मुझे. चलती है ना नींद में नाक बंद करके चलती है तो वो एक प्रॉब्लम हो गया. सीक्रेट थोड़ी है. मैं मदर्स डे पे बोलती हूँ आपको it is a blessing to be a mother. At the same time it's terrible to be a mother because we are always tense.
How was Sameera in childhood and teenage? कुछ मस्ती
She was a bubbly, very chubby.
थैंक्स मॉम.
उसको बोलेगा अगर कम खाओ और ज़्यादा खाओ
जो आज भी मैं करती हूँ.
टेबल का नीचे जाके खाने. इनको शादी पे कहीं लेके जाते हैं किसी और के टेबल पे बैठ के खाती है वो. सो दैट दोज पेरेंट्स डोंट नो हु दैट चाइल्ड इज.
She used to always, I think कि बचपन में मैं बहुत I was not so what do you call it? I was not as bad as Meghna Sushma. I was very quiet.
पेपर ज़्यादा किसने किया मालूम है? सलमान के मम्मी ने.
और मैं बहुत आई थिंक
सलीम साहब और हेलन एंड दे टू पेपर और अ लॉट. मुझे बोलती थी क्यों शॉर्ट करते हो खा लो.
और मैं घर में मैं कम खाती थी और फिर मैं भाग के हेलन आंटी और या सलीम अंकल के घर पे आई यूज्ड टू गो एंड हैव लॉट्स ऑफ बिरयानी. तो मम्मी मुझे खिलाती नहीं है.
कंप्लेंट करती थी कि आज मुझे खाना नहीं दिया.
Mainly mom, I want to say on this Mother's Day and every day that I really want to thank you क्योंकि जो I swear जो कुछ भी मैं आज हूँ और जब भी मुझे पुट डाउन करता है और सोसाइटी या फिल्म इंडस्ट्री या कुछ भी कहेंगे I call my mom and my mom just gives me that thing कि you're my child. Go out there कर दिखाओ जो भी हो. Yeah, she always and I always call her up. You know, लोग बाहर जाके they find a lot of they want to find something that makes them feel better. My feel good machine is right here. Thanks, mom.
मदर्स डे फाइनली आ गया है और अगर आप अपनी मॉम को कुछ गिफ्ट करना चाहते हैं सो व्हाई नॉट अ लावी बैग. चेक आउट द स्प्रिंग समर कलेक्शन एंड गेट योर मदर one too.
The summer season is on. और इस hot season में we women like to shop a lot. Be it dresses, accessories or bags. Zoom gets you the spring summer collection of Lavi bags. और इस Miss India collection को reveal करने पहुंची Pantaloons Femina Miss World 2012 वानिया मिश्रा. Well, वानिया ने यहाँ खुद के लिए भी कर ली Lavi bag की shopping. Take a look. चलिए वानिया ने तो खुद के लिए शॉपिंग कर लिए लावी बैग्स, पर आप कहीं मत जाइए क्योंकि आज है मदर्स डे और इस खास मौके पर ले जाइए अपनी मॉम को इस लावी बैग स्टोर पर और दिला दीजिए उन्हें एक परफेक्ट बैग सूटिंग हर एंड मेक दिस डे स्पेशल फॉर हर।
प्लान बॉलीवुड न्यूज में फिलहाल वक्त है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का, लेकिन ब्रेक के बाद हम आपको दिखाएंगे रवीना का कैंडिड चैट विद जूम। रवीना टंडन ने जूम पर अपनी मदरहुड एक्सपीरियंस को शेयर किया। चेक आउट द कैंडिड इंटरव्यू विद द एक्ट्रेस।
Undeniably, Bollywood's hottest mom, Raveena Tandon, and I think she's now getting used to the term "yummy mummy." Are you?
Yeah, this new word is quite interesting. Yummy mummy.
You know how troublesome were you as a kid?
I wasn't. My brother was. कभी कोई ऐसी फैमिली नहीं है जहाँ माँ और बेटी में झगड़ा नहीं हो या डिसएग्रीमेंट्स ना हो।
बिल्कुल।
लेकिन ये सब बदल जाता है। You know, जब मेरी बेटी पैदा हुई, and I was looking at her face like a little angel, you know, from God.
Right.
And suddenly, मेरा flash forward हुआ. 16 years from now, she'll be slamming doors on my face. She'll be back answering me, and she'll say, "Mom, you know, you're not cool. You don't know what you're saying." And I'll be telling her, when you have your baby, you'll come to know. And at 1 o'clock in the night,
Right.
I thought about my mother and what all she's gone through because of me and what all I did to her.
Right.
And at 1 o'clock in the night, I called her. And I told her, Mama, I'm sorry.
But was mother strict? क्योंकि rebellious तो हम सब होते ही हैं।
Yeah.
मगर आंटी कितनी strict थी आपके साथ?
No, she wasn't. She was, I think, she is one of the most amazing. I mean, everyone says that about their mother, but my mother was not Hitler. But there was a point where in my teens that I could bully her. You know, I used to bully her somehow.
You know, we usually see कि when the actresses are very young, I mean, in that time, we usually have the mothers also on the sets, literally sitting and, you know, watching the shot and encouraging the daughters. आजकल बहुत कमी
No, my mom never did that.
बेबी को गर्म पानी चाहिए, बेबी को दूध चाहिए,
Juice चाहिए, baby के लिए छाता रखो. No, thank God. No, I did not have that kind of a mom, thankfully.
So, you know, mom, everybody wants that their mama is their best friend and कि माँ एक दोस्त बन जाए, can share everything. So we don't require anybody else to tell your deepest of secrets. And as a teenager, you have so many. You have a crush. You know, you are getting those letters. But did your mom ever got like any of a letter or something or I don't know, like a message? That on the
I myself actually started dating when I was 21.
Right.
And that's always been my relationship with my parents. That I've told them what I'm doing.
Right.
That this is the guy I like and this is where he's from or what. They've approved and there are times where they've disapproved.
Right. You were in a relationship at one point with some particular actor, and that was like the talk of the town at that time. From every magazine, every paper had only one article about you and that actor. At that time, how did your parents react to it? I mean, I'm sure they're like, "क्या लिख रहे हैं यार? ये सब क्या हो रहा है?"
See, they knew. They
your
knew
mom especially.
Well, my parents and my mom knew the truth. So, when the family knows the truth, they don't really pay attention to things like that. In fact, they keep these things away from you because whatever it is, ultimately we are all human. And when there is some untruth written, everyone gets hurt. Your
mom has been there when you've gone through relationships, and she's also been there when you've come out of it and gone into another one. How was your mother? What did she tell you, tab? How to get over a breakup? What did you get to know?
Well, she kind of knew what I was going through. But I think एक point ऐसा था for me personally कि I knew I'd put my parents through enough. And there was a point where I did say that, you know, I'm sorry and, you know, I mean, this is it. Whatever's happened. And they knew.
Right.
So I think it's not, they never put that pressure कि oh, I told you so और मैंने तो कहा था, never. It was left on a clean slate कि चलो, let's move ahead. आगे देखते हैं. You know.
But who has been your example from Bollywood? You think like a perfect mother. I'm sure everybody has, you know, you look and you say, yeah, she's one of those examples when it comes to mothers that she's really done it. You can remember anybody?
I think Madhuri, Juhi.
Now, I'm going to play a little game with you.
Right.
You are not Raveena, you're Raveena's mother. And you will react when you see the pictures according to how your mom would have reacted.
Okay.
Okay. You remember you're not Raveena's, you're Raveena's mom. Okay.
Yeah.
Auntie, bataiye.
How sweet. I think she's 5 years old.
Okay, fair enough. This one is a smaller picture. You were younger, yeah.
Cover up, my mother would have said.
Okay. Remember, you're not Raveena, you're Raveena's mom.
Yeah. I think this is where she looks really happy, and this is what was meant to be, and this was her destiny. This was the path that she had to end after all that she saw in her life.
I think she's been a sport. Thank you so much. But before you go away, we leave you and go away. In fact, you need to tell us this Mother's Day special. It's a Mother's Day special. So something that for all those mothers, that message.
First of all, I'll tell you why it's so special for me every year. Because actually Mother's Day falls on my mother's birthday. That is 13th May. So for us, it's like a double celebration, and it's even more special.
Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure as always, Raveena.
Thank you.
And happy Mother's Day to you.
And you too. Enjoy.
प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड न्यूज में फिलहाल वक्त है एक और छोटे से ब्रेक का, लेकिन ब्रेक के बाद बताएंगे प्राची देसाई और दिया मिर्जा का एक्सक्लूसिव चैट। प्राची देसाई और दिया मिर्जा आई अपनी मॉम्स के साथ थैंक यू मॉम इनिशिएटिव को सपोर्ट करने, और यहां जूम के साथ उन्होंने एक्सक्लूसिवली बात की।
मदर्स डे पे कुछ स्पेशल कर रही है दिया मिर्जा अपनी मॉम के लिए। दिया, आज आप यहाँ पे आई हैं इवेंट पर, आपके एसोसिएशन के बारे में बताइए और क्या कुछ खास किया आपने स्टेज पर आज?
Well, PNG's campaign Thank You Mom is actually a wonderful campaign, क्योंकि एक सर्वे करने के बाद PNG को इस बात का पता चला कि there are lots of people in our country who aren't expressive about how much they, are grateful to their mothers.
आपने कुछ विश भी लिखी थी, वो हीलियम बलून जो आपने भेजा था, तो क्या विश था?
मैंने उनसे आज पूछा कि क्योंकि जब भी my mom is we have a very communicative relationship with best friends, तो मैं हर चीज़ जानती हूँ जो वो मुझसे चाहती है, और मैंने फिर आज उनसे पूछा कोई विश है आपकी जो मैं पूरी कर सकती हूँ, तो बहुत सोची और फिर कहा उन्होंने कि promise me you will take better care of your health. So I said, okay, your wish will be fulfilled, and that's what I wrote on that balloon. And I think that's what the beauty of mother's love is, that it's so selfless and it's so unmaterialistic.
Absolutely. एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी, ऐसी कोई एक विश है अपनी मम्मी की कि वो कभी कुछ चाहती थी आपसे जो आप पूरी नहीं कर पाई, कुछ ऐसी चीज़?
I think I've done practically everything she's ever wanted of me. I'm very proud that I've been able to fulfill my duties as a daughter, and it feels very, very good that when I ask my mother if there's anything that I haven't done that she expected of me, she always looks at me and she says, no, I'm very proud of you. I'm very happy. But I know that she would like for me to, be a good mother, and that is a wish that is yet to be fulfilled.
Absolutely.
And hopefully I can be half the mother that she was to me, that she is to me.
Fine. Thank you so much. मदर्स डे पे कोई मेलोड्रामा नहीं, अभी प्राची ने ऐसे कुछ कहा, और यहाँ पर मेरे साथ है प्राची और उनकी मॉम। हेलो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम टू जूम।
थैंक यू।
बहुत रेयर होता है कि एक एक्ट्रेस अपनी मदर के साथ दिखाई दे, तो थोड़ा अटेंशन आज उनकी मदर, आपकी मदर पर है, तो कुछ ऐसे अलग तो नहीं लग रहा ना आपको?
Absolutely not. In fact, I think it's a very special day for me, क्योंकि आज ये एक्चुअली मेरे साथ हैं। इनका सपोर्ट हमेशा हमारे साथ होता है, हमारी मम्मीज़ का, बट टुडे टू हैव हर हियर विद मी जस्ट मेक्स द डे मोर स्पेशल।
एब्सोल्युटली। और काफ़ी ऐसे बहस होती रहती है कि एक दिन क्यों मदर्स डे, सारे दिन मदर्स के होने चाहिए, तो ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है कि सेलिब्रेटिंग मदर्स डे, कितना बिलीव करती हैं आप?
Of course, every day is a special day. It just depends on how you take the day for you. Mother's Day definitely हर रोज़ होना चाहिए. I think if we are here today, it's because of them, and they are like living two parallel lives. Actually, two lives together at the same time. As much as everything that I go through, she goes through at the same time. She's always there for me. So अगर पूरे साल में to express something, if we just make that one day special for them, I think it's not too much. Yeah, every day is a Mother's Day, but I think we should make them feel special on that one day at least.
और आपने विश भी लिखी, वहाँ पर क्या लिखा था आप?
I definitely wished for her health and happiness always, but at the same time I just wish that she's my mother for all my lives to come.
That's very sweet. आंटी, कोई वैसे तो प्राची ने आपको बहुत प्राउड फील करवाया है, वो इस करियर में है, काफ़ी फेमस हो गई हैं, बट कोई ऐसी एक विश जो अभी भी है जो प्राची ने अभी तक पूरी नहीं करी?
नहीं, ऐसी कोई विश नहीं है।
हर माँ की ये इच्छा तो होती है कि शादी हो जाए बेटी की।
नहीं, उसको जब करनी है तब।
जब
कोई
I
शादी
find this
नहीं।
funny. If someone asks me about my marriage, I say 10 years easily, but I think according to her, it's 15 years away for sure.
पहली आई थिंक मदर होंगी जो मैं खुद ही बोल रही नहीं बहुत टाइम लगने वाला है। क्यों ऐसे मतलब
No, she's never imposed anything on me or my sister ever, and she's always just there for us. So उनके हिसाब से, as long as I'm happy with what I'm doing, she's completely fine.
अच्छा, और जिस तरह से इनका करियर जा रहा है एज अ मदर बिल्कुल खुश।
बहुत खुश हूँ, बहुत खुश।
लास्ट उसमें थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड वन मैसेज टू ऑल द फैंस फॉर मदर्स डे।
Thank you कहना मत भूलिए, because I think that's just one special gesture जो उनके लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. And have a great day.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
With this, it's a wrap. Planet Bollywood News में कल हम फिर लौटेंगे बॉलीवुड की और भी लेटेस्ट न्यूज एंड गॉसिप्स लेकर. Till then, keep watching Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.